Hey guys, Tony from Arora Art Studios here, coming at you with another video. So today's video is going to be me drawing Naruto Sage of Six Paths. So I'm excited to bring this to you. This is a first for me, drawing any form of Naruto. It's an experience for me, and it's going to be an experience for you. So you'll see in this drawing, I'm going to have Kurama in the back, as you'll see as the video progresses, and Naruto at the front, just to show Naruto's position while he's inside Kurama. Plus I really wanted Naruto to kind of be the main focus of it, as well as, you know, Kurama being pretty cool in the background. Now stay around for the rest of this video because I'll be talking around and telling you guys other tips and tricks about how I came to create this drawing, and also what my thoughts were throughout the drawing. So see here how I transitioned straight into Naruto's face. Now I did that because what happens is sometimes it takes me a very long time to know exactly how I want to portray a part of my drawing. So in this case it was Naruto's face, and it took me a while to perfect it. So instead of having every little segment of me perfectly putting his face together, it would look much better in the video for you guys. A lot less stress on me editing the video. Now over here you see me starting to draw Kurama. The three heads were kind of difficult to draw. I definitely had to get a lot of reference for them to make sure I nailed it. I pretty much got it first go, but it was still a very difficult task. You know, three heads in one isn't something that you really learn in art school, but perspective was a big part of it. As you can see me drawing the hands on the left side of the screen here, it was sometimes difficult because I wasn't sure what part of the Rasengan on his side would kind of block out the hands, so I kind of vaguely did part of the backhand and the third hand on the right side, and in the end it came together, so it wasn't too big of a problem. Another handy tip is, you see me throughout the drawing and probably my previous drawings where I zoom out of the image and then zoom back in to start drawing. So when you zoom out, what it does is it gives you an overall perspective of what's going on in the image, because up close something may look good, but as soon as you zoom out it does not fit what's going on. So you always have to make sure to come back out to make sure everything's in perspective, and then go back in and change it to something that actually stands out and makes sense. Now this can be you hand drawing is all same thing, you know, even just lift up the piece of paper and just pull it away from you, or just stand up and walk away. Just see what it looks like from afar, because looking at it from afar really shows you when something is in perspective. Right, so as you can see guys, a lot of Naruto's jumpsuit area and inner side of the coat is a kind of very dark grey or black, right? Now most of the reference had it as a gradient where the lower part of his body was as dark and then the upper half was a bit lighter. Now this was throughout every dark grey part of his jumpsuit and his jacket, so it kind of fades up and it really looks cool. I think later on what I do is I add orange lines instead of black lines throughout most of the drawing, so you can really tell the difference between the jacket and the jumpsuit. Now what I've also done is, you've just seen, I've added like an inner glow and an outer glow to the circle around Naruto's stomach, and the circles around his chest area as well, because like you saw in the reference over there, it was glowing as well. It makes it very easy when you're using Photoshop. Now this part of the drawing was one of my favorites, getting the glow of the jacket. It was a lot of fun because it was cool just watching it come together. Now something important to note about a lot of Naruto characters is the way that they're designed and drawn. it's a very kind of simplistic style. That's just the way it is. So a lot of their features are drawn out through shading. So as you'll see when I go to the face, because he doesn't even have like a line for a nose, all I do is add a spark of light near his eye, which makes it seem like there's a nose there. It's very subtle, but it's very key in drawing a lot of Naruto characters. So as you see with the Rasengan on the left here, all I did was I used the brush, and they really came in handy for getting the wrapping aura around that Rasengan on the left side of the screen. All I did was duplicate the exact same effects on the other side with the Tail Beast Bomb, so it kind of saved me a lot of time. So there we have it, guys. Now, as you can see, I added some extra effects into the drawing that you guys didn't see. I didn't really even think about adding those effects until after I had already completed the drawing. It's really cool. I'm really happy with it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know whether you liked it, whether you didn't, and also let me know whether my commentary was something that you guys enjoyed again. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.